Thank you for choosing Comica Vimo Q wireless microphone. Next, we will introduce the unboxing, components and instruction, installation and usage, charging and storage. You can choose to watch according to the progress bar below the video. The Vimo Q has a black and white color version. Unbox the Vimo Q and there is the charging and storage case, instrument bag. The instrument bag includes with user manual, Comica stickers, warranty card, certificate. Unzip the charging and storage case. There is a receiver and 4 transmitters inside. The upper layer is an accessory compartment. The accessories have a 3.5mm TRS audio cable, a 3.5mm TRS audio cable, and a 2-in-1 charging audio output cable for wind muff. This is the transmitter TX with an internal mic on the top. A 3.5mm TRS external mic interface can connect an external lavalier microphone with 3.5mm TRS interface. The right side of mic has 3 buttons: power and mute button, long press for on-off, short press for muting switch, denoise and volume increase button, long press to turn on and off denoise, short press to increase the volume, pair volume decrease button, long press to enter pairing state, short press to decrease the volume. The receiver has working indicator light, red light on when muting, green light on when denoising, blue light on in original sound. Red, green, and blue flash alternately when pairing. There is a USB-C charging port at the bottom of the transmitter. To connect a power bank or DC power supply through the 2-in-1 charging audio output cable for charging. There are charging pads under the transmitter's belt clip, which are used for charging and pairing when the transmitter is placed in the charging box. Take out the receiver and the display screen on the front. This is a 3.5mm TRS audio output interface to output analog audio through 3.5mm TRS/TRS/TRS audio cable. A 3.5mm TRS/TRRS monitoring earphone interface. Plug the headphone to monitor. Reset hole. If there are abnormal phenomena such as crashes or failure to turn on, insert a pin into the reset hole to reset and restart automatically. USB-C charging and audio output interface. To connect the power bank or DC power supply for charging, or connect mobile phone or computer for digital audio output through the 2-in-1 charging and audio output cable. Power and mode switch button. Long press for on or off. Short press to switch mono or stereo modes. Pair and screen flip button. Long press to enter pairing state. Short press to flip the screen. There are charging pads above the receiver's belt clip, which are used for charging and pairing the transmitter when it is placed in the charging box. The receiver screen can display the working status of Vimo Q. The top status bar displays the receiver channel mode, battery power and charging status, mono and stereo. The battery power is displayed in 4 grids. Each grid represents 25%. When charging through the USB interface, the 4 grid icons jump in sequence. The 4 areas, A, B, C, and D, represent 4 transmitters. After connection, the transmitter volume, transmitter battery level, and audio dynamics will be displayed. When not connected, the above information will not be displayed. The transmitter has 6 levels of volume. It displays mute when muted and pair when paired. Above the charging and storage bag is an accessory compartment for storing accessories. Below are the slots for the transmitter and receiver, with charging contacts inside. Turn on the mic. The receiver screen will display the power and charging status of the transmitter, receiver, and charging box. These are power indicator light on the charging and storage case. There are 4 lights, each representing 25% of the power. The 4 indicator lights jump in sequence during charging. Pair and awake button. Long press to pair the microphone. Short press to awake the microphone. Reset hole. If the device cannot be charged, insert a pin into the reset hole to reset it. USB-C charging port. To connect a power bank or DC power supply through the 2-in-1 charging and audio output cable for charging. The Vimo Q have been paired by default. You can use it directly when you get the product. If you need to pair manually, put the transmitter and receiver into the charging box and long press the pairing button on the left side of the charging box to pair automatically. When there is no charging box, please switch all transmitters and receivers to pairing mode. After successfully pairing, the transmitter indicator light will turn blue, and the receiver screen displays the status of the connected channel. When using the mic, fix the belt clip outwards and clip the transmitter to your collar. Point the internal mic towards your mouth for better recording. When using it outdoors, you can wear a wind muff for the transmitter to reduce wind noise. When using an external mic, please purchase an external lavalier mic with a 3.5mm TRS interface and plug it into the transmitter. The Vimo Q supports digital and analog dual output mode. The analog output mode is to output audio through the 3.5mm TRS interface. When used with a camera, switchers, capture cards, desktop computers, and other devices, connect it through the 3.5mm TRS audio cable. When used with a mobile phone, tablet, or laptop, connect it through the 3.5mm TRS audio cable. When used with a mobile phone and tablet without a 3.5mm port, connect it through the 3.5mm TRS USB-C Lightning audio cable or adapter you purchased yourself. For digital output, please connect the receiver and mobile phone, tablet, computer, iPhone 15, new iPad through the USB-C, USB-C-A audio cable. For devices connected to the Lightning interface, such as the iPhone 14 series or older iPads, you can choose a USB Lightning adapter cable with OTG function or a 3.5mm TRS Lightning adapter cable. When connecting to mobile phones, tablets, computers, and other devices, it is more recommended to use the digital output mode of Vimo Q. After use, put the microphone into the charging and storage bag to charge the microphone. The charging storage bag is charged through the USB-C port on the left side. The 4 indicator lights light up in sequence during charging, and the 4 lights stay on when fully charged. The charging and storage bag can store the microphone and accessories, making it easier to carry. Thanks for watching.